I'm switching from the stock tire on the Sur Ron, which you see here, to this Dunlop 52F, which way beefier tire. It's meant to be a front tire, so I went ahead, and since I'm using it on the back, I went ahead and mounted it backwards. It is directional. You'll see directional arrow on the sidewall. And I'm also using this IRC heavy-duty tube, which is, boy, it's a beast. Let's see if we can show that. All right. And I'm getting a lot of puncture flats, and so, and also the traction on the rear isn't what it could be, but this Dunlop tire, which is made for a front tire for a motorcycle, I'm putting on the rear of my Sur Ron. It is a directional tire. I'm mounting it reverse the direction, so instead of gripping while braking, it should grip while accelerating. I'll see how this goes. Thank you.